In a recent, extremely ironic interview with The Hindu, Heard speaks of her character Nadine from the CBS all-access show The Stand, saying, "A seducer can also be vulnerable, right? The seduction and vulnerability are not mutually exclusive. I don't feel as a woman I have to apologize for one in order to justify the other, or vice versa. I think Nadine is more of a seducer than she is a survivor. She's using the tools that she has to survive in a world that's treated her in a certain way." Heard attacks model, gets caught in 4K. Now her sponsors panic. Speaking from real-life experience, Miss Heard? She continues, comparing Nadine to her character Mara in Aquaman, stating, "What I seem to be really good at is getting an audience to believe in the villainous woman character. Actually, in Aquaman, it was a bit of a departure for me to play someone who's not using her womanly ways to bring evil to the world." The actress initially said the incident took place on the 8th of March 2013, but told the court she now considers the correct date of the painting incident to be 22nd of March 2013. Miss Wass told the court that in one text to her mother, Miss Heard wrote, "It's terrible, Mum. I don't know what to do." Another read, "He's nuts, Mum. Violent and crazy. I'm heartbroken that this is who I love." In a third, she wrote, "I feel like I'm on a very fast train that's about to explode, but I don't want to jump off and leave my love behind." Paid rumors and paid campaigns on social media don't dictate casting decisions because they have no basis in reality, Heard pointed out in conversation with EW. 2020 was a rough year for Amber Heard. She has been involved with legal troubles and social backlash. Currently, she's a part of 3 cases, the first being the defamation case by Johnny Depp, the second being the libel case against Depp and the news group where she is testifying, the third is a counter-sue by her for the first case. In an interview with Access Hollywood, she talked about what she took from last year. According to her, adapting and surviving as the key. The better we manage to change ourselves from within, the better we would be able to thrive. Currently, Heard has been promoting her ongoing series The Stand. As of now, there are no upcoming movies in 2021. However, Amber Heard would reappear in Zack Snyder's Justice League this year. She also said that she was going to return to Aquaman 2, filming this year. Things don't go smoothly as both get embroiled in the criminal underworld of the modeling industry. Amber Heard is opening up about the backlash she received after making allegations of abuse against ex-husband Johnny Depp. The Aquaman actress wrote she felt the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out against domestic violence. After losing his libel case against the newspaper The Sun for calling him a wife-beater and stated that his ex-wife Amber Heard was the victim of domestic violence, Johnny Depp shared an eerie message over the New Year's. Taking to Instagram, the Hollywood veteran shared the preface to William Saurian's 1939 play, The Time of Your Life, which includes an insight into the nature of evil, urging to destroy it with no regret. Despise evil and ungodliness, but not men of ungodliness and evil. These understand, have no shame in being kindly and gentle, but if the time comes in your life to kill, kill and have no regret. An excerpt for the page Johnny shared said, along with the picture of the book's page, Depp wrote, "Preface to The Time of Your Life, 1939, by William Saurian. A New Year's wish to all. Though the world is in mourning for better days, I hope all of you are able to find a moment tonight to smile and, more importantly, to laugh and make others laugh, as much as possible. I know this may be difficult in the midst of these trying times, but I wish nothing but happiness and health to all. May you all be surrounded in perfection. With all my love and respect, JD," in the caption. The news may have come as a surprise to fans of Heard's ex-husband, who have been actively petitioning against her return to Aquaman, especially after Depp exited his latest gig. The Pirates of the Caribbean revealed that Warner Bros. Had asked to step away from the Fantastic Beasts franchise in light of the developments in his cases against Heard and The Sun. Depp still received his full 8-figure salary for this upcoming third film, a substantially larger paycheck than what co-stars Eddie Redmayne and Jude Law earn, despite only filming one scene. But the studio is already hard at work trying to find someone else to replace him as Dark Wizard Gellert Grindelwald. So I stay on the train even though I know it's about to explode. Miss Heard, who was married to the film star from 2015 to 2017, then told the court, "I was so in love with Johnny at that time. We had a wonderful year together where he was sober and clean, and that is how I got to know him." The ongoing legal battle between exes Amber Heard and Johnny Depp continues, but the actress wants the record to show that she has no intention of letting the conflict further impact her career. In a new interview with Entertainment Weekly, Heard confirmed that she would in fact be rejoining co-star Jason Momoa in the upcoming Aquaman sequel. She starred in the DC Extended Universe film as Princess Mara, Arthur Curry's Atlantean love interest, and says that she has been invited back to the production for the second movie. "I'm super excited about the amount of fan love and the amount of fan appreciation that Aquaman has acquired, and that it has garnered so much excitement for Aquaman and Mara that it means we'll be coming back," Heard told EW. "I'm so excited to film that. Friends and advisors told me I would never again work as an actress, that I would be blacklisted. A movie I was attached to recast my role," the 32-year-old shared. "I had just shot a 2-year campaign as the face of a global fashion brand, and the company dropped me." Heard continued, "Questions arose as to whether I would be able to keep my role of Mara in the movies Justice League and Aquaman." Depp, 55, has vehemently denied all abuse allegations, calling the claims salacious false stories, gossip, misinformation, and lies. The actress alleged coming forward with her claims caused her to receive death threats. She continued, "Tabloid outlets that posted pictures of me spun them in a negative light. I felt as though I was on trial in the court of public opinion, and my life and livelihood depended on myriad judgments far beyond my control." Her purpose in writing the op-ed, she wrote, was to ensure that women who come forward to talk about violence receive more support. "We are electing representatives who know how deeply we care about these issues," Heard added. "We can work together to demand changes to laws and rules and social norms, and to right the imbalances that have shaped our lives." In yet another twist in the Johnny Depp-Amber Heard saga, the Aquaman actress has been granted permission to go forward with her $100 million counterclaim to Depp's $50 million suit against her. Depp initially sued Heard for a Washington Post op-ed she wrote, in which she claimed to be victim of domestic violence. Heard's suit now accuses Depp of defamation and spearheading a social media campaign to ruin her career. Fairfax County Judge Bruce White, in allowing the counterclaim, stated, "In light of the #MeToo movement and today's social climate, falsely claiming abuse would surely injure Miss Heard's reputation in the common estimation of mankind. Therefore, this court finds that the statements contain the requisite sting for an actionable defamation claim."